Hello, IK here. Welcome to RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. Here it is. Here we created a new prompt, original prompt. Here it is not enough that Gemini AI, that Gemini large language model or Gemini AI solve our problem, that Gemini translate text to SQL query. Original prompt is not enough. And we build, developer must build uh, this a new prompt. And that prompt, there is a schema. It is we need it to create SQL. You must know schema of database, and the function. This function give us a schema, and the new prompt must have a schema here. Also, we need instructions. Look at convert following user request into valid SQL query. Yes. Without it, instructions, Gemini, what can do with our request? Gemini don't know what to do. And again, instruction, the SQL dialect is MySQL. It is important. Use MySQL functions only, e.g. date format instead of strf time, okay? And only return the SQL query. No explanation, no markdown, no formatting. Because our server needs SQL like it to send it to database. Database don't need explanation, etc. and formatting. And here it is a request, original prompt. This is a new prompt. What this helper function send like parameter here of method generate content. Gemini model and all other model, there is a method generate content. And here is how we send prompt, new prompt. That new prompt, there is a terms in database, in artificial intelligence, R, it is acronym, R retrieval, augmented, proširena, augmented generation, retrieval augmented generation. Generation is always properties of LLM, large language model, because only large language model can generate a new content, something new, video, image, in this situation, SQL, text generation. And retrieval augmented generation here means when is not enough original prompt from user, but we need add some context. and create a new prompt with the original prompt and, in this situation, instructions. All that is augmented, augmented, augmented generation. Uh, Here is this schema give us some helper function, but instruction must write developer. Uh, Instruction, we don't know instruction again all possible, but for example, this part of instruction we add later when we have a error because there is a more dialect MySQL and more dialects of MySQL, for example, Lite, MySQL, etc. And in beginning, 1 month maybe, we have excellent result, but in one time, LLM, Gemini, uh, send us error. And the error was that it cannot find this function. And the solution of that was incorporate this instruction, use MySQL function only, and strictly said date format instead of straight time. It is something excellent that ChatGPT helped me in this situation. ChatGPT absolutely excellent code all this, but I must repeat a lot of time that coding coding is just one very small part of process of building, of developing application. And now it is a reality. Now when AI help us work coding instead of us, but not only coding, uh, artificial intelligence know excellent code, know excellent coding. I don't poke here, can be sometime hallucination, but we are here. Man is here. Developer is respond. He must look at and must agree with every code. But before coding, take us a lot of time. Coding, lot of script, lot of boilerplate. React with declarative programming save us a lot of time because we don't need to type all that boilerplate from scratch. We use object, we use library of React. But now, when that same coding for us, artificial intelligence, it is really only very small part of small percent of entire uh, project, entire project, and it is excellent time for developing web application and and the programming. Really excellent time because artificial intelligence, now that LLM, large language model, is excellent in programming. I said programming because not only write code, not only coding, type code, but to know what to type, and it is excellent. And now developers, there is more time for all other, and of course, developer learn, because we have a very often changes in technology today. Every library changes, new version go out after 6 months, and it is not revolutionary, but it is changes. Uh, what can call problems with legacy, and we must know about that now. Artificial know about that, and give us a solution, and we understand it. Excellent, excellent, excellent. This this is not. This is like a revolution when you must dig land with the hand, and when you must dig land by motorization, by uh, uh, by motorization, not by hand. It means that you are responsible for digging land, but motorization dig land. Motorization uh, do that better than you. But where to dig? How long? How wide? How deep dig? You decided for your project. Artificial intelligence don't know what you work. Okay, this is video is for terms RAG, retrieval augmented generation. LLM need a lot of tools, a lot of context, and something else very important. More context tools. We call that context schema, all instructions and request, all that, and not it is original prompt, but these instructions and this schema, it is context or tools, and can be a lot of tools and a lot of uh, context for some solution, and more tools, more context would help to brain, to LLM, means it LLM is smarter. LLM is smarter. It's all about that terms, very important, because we need a lot of job, our job. We must build a lot of tools, a lot of instructions, and you see from the start, ChatGPT don't know that we must need these instructions also. When we have error, ChatGPT know it, and you see that you will not all solution in advance. There is a time after building, after deploying, when you can have calls and reported problems. Okay, for this video, it is enough. If you know somebody that need video like this, tell them about, engage, like, comment, subscribe. What is the best for this channel to be subscribed. But every engagement is excellent, because of that growing our community. and what community around some channel video is bigger, all of us can more learn. Uh, Thank you for watching this video.